Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, I will show you how to create unordered lists, which are lists that use bullet points. To begin with, you need to add an opening and then a closing UL tag. So I'll show you. This is the opening and the closing tag. Within this, you then need to add list item tags for each item. These start with an li opening tag and end with a closing tag. Let's say I just want to add a few animals to this list, so I'll just say dogs. And then for the next item, I again add the li tags, and then just say horses, and maybe one more, and we'll just say dolphins. If I save this and open it in the browser, you can see we have a list with 3 items and each one has a bullet point. We can also nest lists, so we can add a sublist to one of these items, and let's say I want to add a few dog breeds to the dogs. So before the ending list item tag, I'll just hit enter and I'll add a UL list. Within the UL, I then just add list items with the dog breeds. So let's say golden retriever, and then another list item with poodle. If you nest a list, you must always add the new list before the closing li, like we did here. So this list is a sublist of the dogs list item. If I save this and I reload, you can see that we have the sublist here. One more thing that I wanted to show you is that you can change the styling of the list item. For that, you need to add a style tag to the UL, and then you can specify the type by adding list style type. Now disk is the default, which we've seen, so I'll just add square. Now if I go back and reload this, you can see that the bullet point has changed to a square. The other option is the circle, which we can see here, and the final option is none. So if I put none here and I refresh, the squares have changed. I can also remove it from here. I just need to add style and then list style type none. And now neither of the ULs have any bullet points or so. So this is everything I wanted to show you in regards to unordered lists. In the next one, I will show you the ordered list. So stay tuned and have a good day.